And next topic is conversions of flip-flops. You must follow these 5 steps. First step is identify the available flip-flop and required flip-flop. And second step is make characteristic table for required flip-flop. And third step is make excitation table for available flip-flop. Fourth step is write down the Boolean equation for available flip-flop, and last step is draw the circuit diagram. The first point is most important point, that is the available flip-flop and required flip-flop. You must know the what is the available flip-flop and what is the required flip-flop. The first conversion is the JK to D flip-flop. JK to D flip-flop. The first conversion, JK to D flip-flop. Here the required available flip-flop is JK and required flip-flop is K. You want to find out the required flip-flop. Okay, this is the flip-flop conversion. What is the first step here? Identify the available flip-flop and required flip-flop. Okay. Here the first conversion is JK to D. Here write down the step 1. What is the step 1? Here identify the available flip-flop. Here the available flip-flop is JK and required flip-flop is D. Okay, you must follow this step. Identify the available and required flip-flop. Okay, you consider this is required flip-flop is D. Sorry, available flip-flop is D and required flip-flop is J. So you consider the mismatch of this one. Overall the conversion is wrong. You must follow the first one is the available flip-flop and second one is the required flip-flop. And then next go to the second step. What is second step? Make the characteristic table for required flip-flop. What is required flip-flop? D. Okay, and now write down the characteristic table for D flip-flop. Characteristic table for what is required flip-flop? D. D flip-flop. What is the characteristic table? This is Qn D and Qn plus 1. Okay, in this 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here the characteristic table is D input is 0 and next state is also 0. D input is 1, next state is also 1. Okay, this is the characteristic table. And this is the step 2 and this is step 1. And what is the third step? Make the excitation table for available flip-flop. Okay, and next write down the third step is available flip-flop for excitation table. Here available flip-flop is JK. This is the excitation table. Excitation table for JK flip-flop. Okay, the excitation table for JK flip-flop. Here the excitation table is Qn plus 1 and J and K. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Here 0 1 x x x x 1 0. This is the excitation table. Okay, and here and fourth step is write the Boolean expression for available flip-flop. And step 4 is the write the Boolean expression for available flip-flop. Here the available flip-flop is JK. Okay, here the available flip-flop is JK. And next follow the JK and Third step is write the Boolean expression for available flip-flop. First, make the excitation table for available flip-flop. So, make the excitation table for available flip-flop, that is the Q, N, D, Qn plus 1 and Jk. Okay, this is the Jk is the available flip-flop. Make the excitation table for available flip-flop. Okay, Q, D and Qn plus 1. Here this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1. Okay, by using Jk excitation table. Here Qn is a present state, Qn plus 1 is the next state. Okay, present state is 0 and next state is 0. Both are 0 zeros. Then excitation table for Jk is J is 0, K is X. J is 0, K is X. And next 0, 1. Present state is 0 and next state is 1. 0, 1. J is 1, K is X. And next present state is 1, next state is also 1. Present state is 1 and next state is also 1. That is J is X, K is 0. J is X, K is 0. And next present state is 1 and next state is also, this is 0. Okay, here the present state is 0. Here the D input is 0 and next state is also 0. Here 1, 0, 1, 0. J is X and K is 1. Here and next present state is 1 and next state is 1. Here present state is 1 and next state is 1. In that J is X, K is 0. J is X and K is 0. This is the excitation table for available flip-flop. This is the third step. And next, write the Boolean expression for available flip-flop. Here you draw the K map for J and K. K map for first write only J. In J, two inputs, draw the 4 cells K map structure. Here inputs are Q, N, D. This is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is K map for J. 0 cell is 0 and 1 cell is 1 and second cell is X and third cell is also X. Here the grouping is 1 and 3. Okay, here the equation is D. Therefore, J equal to D. Okay, and next K map for K. K map for K. In K, 2 inputs Q and D, 4 cells K map. Here J is 0, 0, X, 1 cell is X and 2 is 1 and 3 is 0. Here the grouping is these two. This is 0, 1, 0, 1. In that K equal to D bar. Okay. And write down the equations. K, J equal to D and K equal to D bar. J equal to D. J equal to D and K equal to D bar. And fifth step is draw the circuit diagram. Okay, here using the available flip-flop is JK. First, this is the step 5 and this is the step 4. What is step 5? Draw the logic diagram, circuit diagram. Here available flip-flop is JK. So, you considering the JK, J, K, Q, Q bar. Okay, and J is connected to D and K is connected to D bar. So you draw the NOT gate. This is the circuit diagram. Okay, here D is connected to J and D bar is connected to K. These are the outputs. Okay. Here the clock is also applied. Flip-flop is works on clock pulse. Okay. If you write down here the bubble is that is the negative edge triggering, and positive is directly connected the line. Okay. Identify the available and required flip-flop. The first conversion is JK to D. The first one is the available flip-flop and second one is the required flip-flop. You must follow the available flip-flop is first one and required flip-flop is second one, that is the D. And second step is characteristic table for required flip-flop. Okay. And third step is excitation table for available flip-flop. And next Boolean equations, write down the equations, and next draw the circuit diagram. This is the flip-flop conversion to JK to D. Okay.